Thank you for that. Next.
I know there was insinuation that maybe some of this money, I pocketed some of this money, me and the DCI, just as there are other insinuations out there. Your maneno ni just wishful thinking. Hiyo ni kitu muna create. Kama watu wawili wameninio huko officers, sisi as principals we have no problem. This can happen anywhere. It doesn't mean it is the DC. We have no problem. And thieving problems occur in any institution. So don't overblow and create things out of nothing.
Unless it's repeated, that is when you can say that. But for sure, what the DPP has said, it was just, something BCD, but absolutely wishful thinking. People may perceive build many mountains out of something very small. So that's what I would say.
Ama mnataka tupigane makamama ndio mtakuwa na hakika kwamba asanteni.
Asante.
Shukran.